Hello everyone. Today we would make a script that would copy filters from a specified view and apply them to the list of selected views. This workflow could assist if you have a large amount of view filters with a variety of settings. The benefit of this script is that it won't affect the applied view template as well. Let's get started. For today's script, we would use 3 extra packages: Clockwork, Datashapes, and Archilab. To start with, let's get all views in the current project. Search for Categories node and select Views. Then get all elements of Category node and connect them. Create a group and name it one.getAllViews in the project. Now we need to create a few filters to clean the views data. Search for object.isNullNode and connect elements. Also get list.filter by boolmask node and connect bool to mask and elements output to list. Create a group and name it 2.removeNullViews. Search for view.isViewTemplate node from Clockwork package and connect output from group 2. Get list.filter by boolmask node and connect bool to mask, then output to list. Create a group and name it 3.removeViewTemplates. Now search for view.usesViewFilters node and connect output. Get another list.filter by boolmask node and connect bool to mask, then output to list. Create a group and name it for.check if views have filters applied. Let's build our UI now. Search for drop-down data and element.name nodes. Connect in-output from group 4 to element and values inputs, then connect string output to keys input. Get a code block and type select view with filters. Create a group and name it 5.view with filters drop-down UI. Now search for list view data node and create a code block. Type down select view to apply filters 500 and false. Connect it to input name, height, and show ID inputs. Get another element.name node and connect output from group 3 to element and values inputs. Then connect element.name node to keys input. Create a group and name it 6.allViewsListViewUI. Search for list.create node, add an item and connect group 5 and group 6 outputs. Get multiple input form node and connect list to inputs. Search for boolean, change it to true and connect to toggle. Create a code block and type apply view filters even if view template applied, apply, cancel, 250 and 600. Connect it to description, button text, cancel button text, label width and width inputs. Create a group and name it 7.mainUIWindow. Get a code block and type x square bracket 0, x square bracket 1 and connect user inputs. Search for view.filters node and connect x at 0 output. Also get views.filter overrides from Archilab package and connect filter to parameter filter input and x at 0 to view input. get views.setFilterOverrides node, connect override graphic settings to overrides, filter output to viewFilter, and xset1 to views. Create a group and name it a.setViewFilters. Now the script is done, save it and let's test it. Before we continue, make sure that value inputs in group 7 are correct. 250 should connect with label width input and 600 with width input. As you can see, I have some view-specific filters created in view level 1. You could also see that view level 2 has a view template applied that has no filters, and a side view that has no filter or view templates applied. When you press run, you would see our UI where you need to provide some inputs. First, select the view where you have your filters applied, then select views to which you want to copy these filters. After you press apply, you would see new filters appear. In view level 2, you could see that the view template was not modified, but the filters were applied. I hope you liked this video and see you next time. Thank you.